I'm moving my Osmo Pocket towards the great sceneries of Interlaken. And then boom, and now boom, and you're seeing me, and the face track just started. I love the Wi-Fi module of Osmo Pocket. Now it's like tracking my face, so if I just approach this way, it will see that too. Pretty cool. And you're hearing the audio from Osmo Pocket. Like, this is such a nice toy. Let me stop the face track, show you the goat. This is me and the, no, wow. Oh, you get it. Oh, goat is there. Okay, everything is reverse. There is the goat. Goatee. Now back to face track. Maybe we need to straighten it first. Yep, once you do that, face track automatically captures the face. Beautiful. Let's see what this gimbal can do. Oh yeah, this is a mount that I thought of using early on, but I didn't dare. And since we are stopping to use this baby, I said, why would I bother using the mount? Boom. And target is back on. Beautiful. Let me try to show you what it looks like through my iPhone. I'm just going to take a photo here. This is it. Back to DJI Mimo app. Is it still? Oh, it is still tracking me. Good. So this is the in-car performance of Osmo Pocket. This car is a bit tricky, by the way. There's so much glass all around, so the acoustics are not perfect. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and obviously see you on another crazy test review, whatever it is. Arrivederci.